Following up after meeting with someone new can build trust and convey professionalism. Here are our top 7 tips on how to follow up after a coffee chat. First, thank the person for their time. Make it personal and show them that you appreciate the time and advice that they gave you. This is a great chance to highlight the next steps that you agreed upon during your meeting. Maybe it's a commitment to share an article, make an introduction to someone new, or to meet again. We all have busy schedules, and staying on top of your professional network is probably not top of your list. So, set a calendar reminder. Let technology do the remembering for you. Let the other person know that you've taken some of their recommendations. Maybe they recommended a book, article, or a movie. Either way, letting them know shows that you value what they had to say and weren't wasting their time. Before diving in and asking for more help, see if there's anything you can do for them first. Maybe they mentioned something in your coffee chat that you think you can support on. Having followed the previous steps, now is a great time to ask for support or advice on a particular topic. It is also a great reason to reach out again. Before sending your message, make sure you proofread it. Check for any spelling errors, especially names, and also remove any unnecessary details to keep it professional and concise.